Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to block someone on PayPal account using the PayPal mobile application. To block someone on PayPal, first of all, launch open the PayPal application and log into your account like you normally do. From the home page of PayPal, tap on the Send Now button at the top of the screen. It'll then take you to your contact list, where you'll need to go ahead and find a contact you want to block. Tap the eye icon right next to the contact. From the menu at the bottom, click on Block. Now click the Block button once again in the pop-up and you will be able to block the contact from your PayPal. If you want to block someone from your recent transaction, go ahead and select the Wallet button from the home menu. Inside the Wallet section, tap on Activity and then find the contact you want to block from the list. After selecting the contact, tap on the Block button at the bottom and click the Block button once again in the pop-up. Blocking someone on PayPal means they can no longer send you money, message you, or find you in the directory. So that's how you block a contact on PayPal in just a couple of steps. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Basics for more PayPal tips and tricks. See you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.